up, people? This is Thisisbunjo. We're going to this restaurant called Eggs. It was recommended to us by Jmar. Mr. Jmar, he told us to come here last time we visited Rome. So we're gonna go check it out real quick. They do a whole bunch of funky things with eggs. A whole bunch of egg recipes, maybe pasta with egg noodles. Who knows what they do? But we're going to check it out because it got recommended by one of the best viewers in the game, Jmar. This is Bunjo. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And yes, it's Rome. Well, we made it to Eggs, and we're sitting out front of here. This is what it looks like here. And I just ordered a beer. I think they got a bunch of craft beers here and stuff, so we're just checking out the scene. We're here a little bit early, but you definitely need a reservation to sit here because that's the first thing they asked you. So everywhere in Rome, you kind of need a reservation. And when it's dinner or lunchtime and you try to sit down for a drink, they'll say, get out of here. Get out of here, like your money's no good, because we're trying to sell food, not 1, 2 drinks like a little homeless man. This guy just banging the paperweight. Enzo, come on, little Lance, what are you doing? And yeah, so we're just gonna order some food. We're gonna check out the menu first, obviously, because this is weird. It's called Eggs in Rome. Yeah, so this is the beer they asked. Well, they have. It's Bio, so I think it's look, it has a little picture of the Colosseum on it, heart, and the IPA, the hops or whatever. So it's, let me taste this. It's nice. I don't like IPA or IPAs too much. I just like a regular lager ale, you know, blonde. But it's not bad. It's not bad, you know. But I can tell it's one of those hip places, like the place to be, the new guy in town. So one of their things on the menu is called Eggs Game. It's like Russian roulette but with eggs. So you get 6 different eggs and you eat it with a little spoon. They're like, with the tops are open, and so we're probably gonna get that because it's something crazy and different. So they come in like literally eggs, and you're scooping them out of the eggshells, eating them. And then we're gonna try the carbonara, and then this is his suggestion. So because I was like looking at it, it's all Italian, so I'm like, I have no clue how to read Italian, so let me know. And when it's all Italian, that's a good restaurant right there. And yeah, so but I gotta wait for the boss. See if the boss is down for that. If she's not down for that, then I don't know what to say. And we're gonna try a fried egg too, I think they said, because the fried egg is nice and crunchy. He said something different from the other eggs, so that's pretty good. But yeah, I think we're getting Magnum pork, and we're getting the Rosso Fuoco, and then the Eggs Game. So it's all a surprise. We've never had any of this stuff, so we're gonna see how it goes. Nino? It's Nino, right? Nino? I thought someone called you Nino. So it's a Nino will be with you.
I don't know, man, no problem. Nino, there's no problem, don't worry.
I think we're gonna try this, the Eggs Game.
Yeah?
But we're gonna get the Magnum pork as well.
Yeah.
And the Rosso Fuoco or something.
Yeah, the spicy carbonara.
Yeah. Oh, it's spicy?
Yeah, the rosso fuoco is spicy.
How spicy though?
And no everything no spicy. The rosso fuoco is a little bit spicy there with the sauce, the pork,
the only thing I think is spicy and she doesn't like it.
Ask before.
How about
classic onion, truffle.
Yeah, classic. We'll get
classic.
Yeah.
This is 2 salad, 1 carbonara.
It's just because I wanted something with sausage in it.
Sorry?
I wanted something with sausage in it. That's why.
One you want, or you want the classic? I don't know, sir. You tell me.
What do you want? Do you want to try the sausage? Yeah, we'll try the sausage. Yeah.
No classic or yes classic?
Yeah, classic.
One classic and one sausage.
Yeah. That's crazy. Is that what you want? It's okay.
You're
right?
the boss.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Confusion, but we did it. We ordered. So remember these silver bars I called paperweight for the napkins? They're actually fork and spoon holders. Who would have thought, eh? Who would have thought? Who would have thought? So here's the Eggs Game. it shows you what's in there, but she told me the rules to the egg game. There's rules to this game. You eat this one, then 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 this one. Boom. And this is the pork, the magnum pork. This is the vegetables, obviously. This is potato, and this is pepperoni, she said. This is pepperoni. It's liquid pepperoni. That's absolutely insane. But it's actually kind of exciting, so we're gonna get into it. We use our small little spoons. So I'm gonna taste it first. Actually, I'm gonna wait till Mickey is ready. So it's actually Mickey's birthday. So she's gonna get to try it first. Let's try this first. Here you go, Mickey. Get the eggs. Are you excited to try this? Or is it weird for you?
It's so weird.
Do you want to?
You take a look of these closer.
Yes, look at it. Whoa. So you gotta try this one first, and then do. Try the first one. I don't know what it is. Try it. Just try it. That's crazy. So let's see that texture on it. So show the camera. What is that texture? It's like jello, eh?
Yes.
With peanuts.
With alcohol.
With alcohol? Let's try this one. Hold on, show the camera. Let's try this. Next one. That one's good. That's your jam right there? That's your favorite one. Oh, it's a good one. I can't believe she didn't like the truffles, but she liked the tuna one. Wow. I seen that in a movie at night.
Only in a movie you would see it.
Exactly. Do.
That one was good.
That one's good too? Whoa, that one's wow. How's that one taste?
It's cold, but it's like a shock. But it's okay. I like it.
And this one, look at this, wow. This one was that truffles maybe? No, the other one was truffles.
Caviale.
Caviar, yes. This one's caviar. How do you like it? It's good?
Yes. The second one, I'm not going to.
You're not a fan of the second one. Here, let me try this. I'm gonna do rapid fire. Try it. Let me try this one. So we got the one with the peanuts. It's like gelatin. It's like crazy looking gelatin with peanuts and hard shit. Tastes like pure booze. Like you can get drunk off this egg. And the truffle one. See all the little truffle flakes there? It's very strong mushroom taste for sure. Did you try this one? This one has quail egg in it. So, look at the quail egg. You want? That one's a good one. And here. Let's try this one. This one's cucumber. What does this one have? Zucchini. Zucchini and something else in it. It's not so bad. This one looks like, this next one looks like almost like just mayonnaise and ricotta cheese or something. Because it's called burrata. Oh, that's salmon. That's real salmon. Like raw salmon. So I don't know if that's good for you. And this last one is caviar and cream de patata. It's not bad. I'll eat this yellow one. This yellow one's good. The one that she doesn't like is this very strong mushroom flavor. So we're gonna kill this and move on to the next one. So this is the pulled pork on a popsicle stick. This is the mixed vegetables. They're pickled. This is sweet potato and this is pepperoni. We already filmed it, but my fat fingers, my penis fingers, deleted them by accident. So now we gotta try it again, the whole reaction. I don't know if we can capture the greatness in a second shot, but let's do it.
I'm so hungry that I'm going to try it again.
How is that? Wow. Show the inside. Show the inside. La 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 la. Pull that. Oh, look at that. Wow. It's beautiful, isn't it? So what do you think about this experience?
Baby, this meat is so good. First, I like pork, and second, it's humid. It's not dry.
Yeah.
Tastes so good. But what we talk about later, no, earlier, is that the whole experience you don't find it in other restaurant. For sure, you have to try this once in your life.
It's beautiful, and the eggs were not exactly your cup of tea, but the experience of trying them is unique, and you'd do it again. Mama's just gonna kill it, eh? She almost didn't let me have any. Yeah, she's right. It's definitely like a pork brisket, like a... Oh man, it's very juicy actually. I like the crunchy and the juiciness on the inside and the soft meat. Oh, I love a good soft meat. I'm not into that hard meat. It's a good experience. Let's try this little bit of... Wow. Wow, yeah, like she said, like this might be expensive for most people. For everybody, actually, 6 eggs. But the stuff inside is caviar and all that. It's the experience that matters. You come to Rome, one of a kind experience. No, like she said, no other restaurant has this. I guarantee you, no other restaurant, especially in Rome. But we got the carbonara coming up next, so let's get into that. And are you having a good birthday?
Yes, amazing. Thank you.
So we got the carbonara here. This is the spicy sausage one. And this is the classica. This looks like it's pancetta bacon in it, huh?
Yes.
Here, you want to try it?
For sure.
Let's try this. Let's get this down the old gullet.
It's crazy the presentation, huh? I
Yeah.
will never have
A bowl like that. Wow.
Okay, so here in Italy, they like the pasta al dente.
So you...
I don't like it. Al dente is when it's still strong.
Yeah, it's still hard a
It's
little
not
bit.
soft, yes.
Yeah, so it's like halfway cooked. Yes.
And they have bacon that I don't like bacon.
But that's okay. It's her birthday. Oh,
It's
try
okay.
it. How does it taste though? What's the taste? Is the sauce good? What do you think was the best part of this meal? The pork?
The pork.
The pork, 100%.
With the veggies, I love the veggies.
The
They were
veggies
so
were good too. Damn. Yeah, so here I'm gonna try this one. I got some white cream sitting on top. Can you hold this? So yeah, I'm gonna try this one. I got some white cream sitting on top. It looks like a little sundae, a little spaghetti sundae. Yeah, they're definitely hard. I don't know. It's not bad though. The Parmesan cheese is actually really strong on this. I don't know about hers, but damn, if you don't chew these noodles, you'll choke on them and die. That's how hard they are, but they're pretty good. I don't know, but we're gonna kill this, and that's our experience at the Exactly restaurant. It was a pretty good experience. Something maybe you should try when you come to Rome. If you don't, I don't think it'll be a huge miss, will it? But it's a good experience. It's a really good experience. It's kind of cool. The seating area, and it's in a nice little neighborhood. It's kind of by what's the neighborhood we're in?
Trastevere.
Yeah, I can't say that. So that's the neighborhood we're in. But this is a pretty good place. But that's it for the video. Thanks for watching, people. Ciao.
Ciao.
They brought... It's Mickey's birthday, so happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to my little Mickey. Blow it out.
Wait, my
Oh, you're.
wish.
I bet you she wishes I had a bigger one. Hey!
Oh.
Oh, that's nice, huh? And I got this for my birthday. For her birthday, she got that. So that's it. Hey, so see you later. So, how was your birthday in Rome? How was your birthday overall? The last 2 days.
Baby, it was amazing.
What did we do? Give them a recap of what we did for your birthday.
We've been in my dream place.
Positano.
It's Positano. We have a beautiful lunch with a beautiful view in a beautiful restaurant. We had lemon thing. I don't know what it is.
The lemon sorbet ice cream.
Yes, that also was with a
In a
amazing
lemon.
view.
Yes. And then we went to Pompeii. We had Pompeii still. We had dinner there.
Yes.
And then when the next day on your birthday, we came to Rome.
To Rome.
We got in a couple fights, but besides that, it was beautiful, huh?
Yes.
What would be a married couple without a couple fights, I tell ya? And this is, look at this. Who goes to Positano, Pompeii, and Rome on their birthday?
Mickey.
Do I? I deserve a little more than that now, don't I? Thisisbunjo. This is the Bunjo Show. This is not your show. I traded the 905 for G-O-O. This is Bunjo Show.